YBT and welcome to my channel. Now, this channel is dedicated to tech review, unboxing and tutorial and many more. So today we're gonna do an unboxing and first impression of these bad boys. Sponsored by my friend Shao. Okay, just call him Shao right now. It's a Redragon without a D RBD from China. Okay, so this is the box itself. Random Mandarin. So it says 机械领袖, which means the leader of robotics, something. High performance mechanical gaming keyboard K6 and some retard dragon, logo, and support the real thing. Don't buy a fake one. Like Pasar Malam, which is night market in Malaysia. Useless. Okay, so just cut it through here. Done. Clean cut. That is what you want. A clean cut. Yeah. Okay. So let's take it off. Ooh, not bad, huh? Ooh, nice. Okay, let's take it out slowly. This is annoying. Put here. Okay. Ooh. Oh, okay. Cable is underneath the box. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Some styrofoam there. Okay. Get rid of this. Yep. This at the side. Ooh, this is gigantic. The key travel, I mean. The size is pretty compact, because there's no numpad, which is a shame for me personally. I like numpad, but it's compact if you have a small space to put, and without numpad you can put your mouse beside, and this is the warranty and some instruction manual here. My friend got it online while having a promotion or something. So the original price was 211, something like that. After the discount it costs 95 ringgit. 95 ringgit is considered cheap for this type of quality. Ooh, satisfaction. Okay, so this is blue switch, not the Cherry MX one. My friend picked it because of the clicky sound. It's very satisfaction and very easy to click. It's not that heavy like some of the keyboard, the mechanical keyboard. So they're using the standard keycap, so I can replace it when necessary. It is very cheap to replace one of these, which is a plus point. Design wise, very compact, a bit heavy. So the front, this part is like plastic kind, but at the back, more plastic, and it's quite hard. High quality plastic, I would say. Made in China. Keys stand, so you can. Okay. So make it higher for you to type easily. So I'm gonna do a small test to see this thing will slip it away when I just push it. Okay, let's test. What? It's stick! It's like a glue. Stick it on the table. You see, I push harder a bit. Okay, the mat push not this thing. Okay, it's very hard, you see. It's solid. The build quality is solid. It's not made out of cheap plastic. It's a good premium plastic. Yeah, I would prefer good premium plastic than a crap aluminium case. This is better. So one of the things that this mechanical keyboard doesn't have, which is there's no LED backlight of all sort. I can prove it to you. Okay, as you can see, there's a USB hub, USB dongle line. Okay, so I already connected to my MacBook Pro and there's no light. You see? Why? Why no light? At least give me a white color. What the heck? But for my friends, it's not a big of deal because considering the price is cheap enough and he's willing to sacrifice that thing. Yeah, so beggars no choice. So right now I'm gonna test how long is the cable. Yup, so let's do it. Okay. So as you can see, this cable is around my height, but it can go longer than that, longer than my height. Because this cable is kind of bendy right now, so if I straighten it up, it will be higher than me. Okay. One last thing I have to mention is the USB Type A port, which is gold plated, and it looks good and function well, and it prevents corrosion and prolong the lifespan of this USB Type A port. Oh, look how shiny it is. Ooh. In conclusion, I'm gonna talk about my first impression of this keyboard, this mechanical keyboard. So far so good. I really like the build quality. It's sturdy, using a premium hard plastic. It's not like cheap stuff. The pad also very high quality. You can feel it, there's no wobble, and it's very stable. The clicking noise satisfying for me, for my ears. And the USB golden plated, it's nice, and the cable itself is thick enough, so I believe that it will last longer than the usual USB cable. Price is fair, 95 ringgit. You get this kind of quality, which is very hard to find it nowadays. The only thing is there's no backlight. For me, it's not a deal breaker. It's just something that if got, will be better. If don't have, then never mind. I would recommend you guys to buy it. So that's about it, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share it to your friends and family. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.